promise you that I was going to annoy you constantly now that I have been a bit ski with for a couple of weeks. So I am back with a brand new tutorial, and I am going to be using these little beauties. I hope I don't drop them because I'm kind of dropsy all the time. So this is the Perricone MD, and this makeup is gorgeous. This makeup is completely featherweight, and it's not medium coverage, it's really light coverage, and it's just to kind of give you this. It's basically, I fell in love with this product. I seen it on a makeup artist that I follow on Instagram called Lipstick Kelly, and I love her. She is amazing, and she does a lot of editorial work, and she just does a lot of red carpet events. And I actually saw that she was using all these products, and I thought, I'm going to have a little look at that because I love her work. And that is when I found this product. After a couple of months, I thought I'm going to get it. So it's a little bit more expensive to get, but I thought I'm going to give it a wee go. Since then, I have used it on a few of my editorial shoots that I have done recently, and I absolutely love it. So I wanted to share this with you. This probably won't be everybody's cup of tea. It's probably you'll look at this tutorial and go, but that's fine, because I just wanted to share just something absolutely awesome with you that I found, I loved, and I wanted to tell you about it. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and the little bell, just ring that little bell and you'll get my annoying face every so often on your iPhone, Samsung, whatever. Okay, so I am going to now shut up because I talk all the time and won't let you watch this tutorial, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye! So this is a super fast tutorial, and there's a few products that aren't the Perricone MD or Perricone MD make, but I've popped them in there anyway because this is what I would usually do, especially like when I'm doing photo shoots and things like that, because this is just gorgeous. So this is a foundation that I have for my skin tone. Now, to be honest with you, just put a bit in the back of your hand. It's a little bit light, so this has a multi-use. This is the No Bronzer, and that foundation is No Foundation foundation. So with the bronzer, it's a little droplet, so you can always just add so that you can get the kind of colour that you like your skin tone is. So with that, so I'm just going to give it a wee check just to make sure it's okay for my skin tone. So that's pretty awesome. So you just pop it all over your face. So I really like this one purely because it's just all hands. And I'm not going to be erasing who I am, or my little wrinkles, or, well, it says it defines wrinkles, but I'm just trying to not erase me and try to keep my own kind of skin there. This is just all about no makeup. This is my absolute passion. I love this kind of makeup. So that is, now don't get me wrong, this is buildable. So you can see it just gives you a beautiful sheer coverage. It also corrects some of the skin tones. Now, it won't correct just everything. That it's not a full coverage foundation, it's a featherweight foundation. So that makes it a little bit different and a wee bit special. So then, now as well, make sure that you mix, shake everything before you use them, especially this one. So when I just first got to this a minute ago, had a little purple little build up through it. That's just part of the product, so just be sure to mix everything. So I'm now going to use my No eyeshadow, which looks like this. Now, comes again, it's like a little, get a wee stick on it. So I just pop a wee bit on my eye, and then you just kind of rub it in and then just blend it. Now, you're not going to get, if you buy this product thinking that it's going to give you absolute crazy coverage and it's going to give you a tanny colour on your eyelids, then this isn't the product for you. What this will do is, like right now I don't have, my little veins on my eyes are now gone, so it just kind of masks it acts like a little camouflage, so it's quite good. So then I would then use my No bronzer, and I'll just put a wee tiny bit to shake it. And then I would then just take a little bit of finger. Sorry about all the noise, this is what happens when I cut my music. Right, and then you would usually follow your same step when you would usually put on your concealer. Oh god. One day I'm going to do a full tutorial and I'm going to impress myself and I'm going to talk all the way through it without making little mistakes. No, I'm not. So the way you would usually contour, so the usual line that you would use, that is where you're going to put it. So again, now you can see here, it's creating a nice little shadow without being too abrasive, and that is the whole idea of it. So that, I stopped just about there. So this is the look that I would usually do on myself if I'm kind of having a day where I don't really fancy putting makeup on, but I also feel like, and I think, well, I should put a bit on, and this is the stuff that I would usually use. So that is on. There is a concealer that they do have. I don't have it yet. When I was ordering these things, these were actually, a lot of them are out of stock because that's how fabulous they are. But like I said, if you're looking for full coverage, this probably isn't the product for you. This is for somebody who just wants to look made up without being too made up, if that makes sense. And also to the one, so you know, when people look at you and go, oh my god, your skin's flawless, and you think, no, it's not. It's my makeup. So I'm now going to use my Sarah Hill little concealer milk bottle. Love this. And a wee happy birthday to the Sarah Hill Academy of Makeup. They turned 7 today, or it's been open for 7 years. Super cool. So this is, which by the way, is that lovely little lady that's got me into the absolutely loving the no makeup. I went and saw her, and I knew what I kind of wanted to do, but I didn't know exactly what step I wanted to take. I didn't know kind of exactly what style of makeup that it was that I was totally into. And after a 5-minute conversation with Sarah, she's like, no, this is what you want to do, and it's so right, because it is. I love no makeup, beautiful fresh skin. There's nothing more attractive than somebody that's got beautiful freckles and you can see them. Oh my god, can you hear my dog? Right, so that is that. That is all I do. I don't do anything else down my nose. There's no more contour going on it there. That is where I stop. Then you've got this little cracker here. This is the No Blush Blush. So again, and then just give yourself a wee smile. Now it's really movable as well, so that is why I love this product so much. So just kind of tap it in, a wee smile, and then you're just going to do the apples of the cheeks, but kind of move it around. You can go a little bit further up with it, blend it into your little contour line. Again, this is really, really buildable. And this is the No highlighter. Again, it comes in a cool little brush. Now these little bottles are quite small, but they go a long, long way. You don't need much on at all. It's just such a gem of a product. Oh, I gotta have me that. So I went and got it. And I am not disappointed. So like I said, no tools needed, just your hands. Okay, so that's that. I'm just going to quickly put my eyebrows on. Again, I don't want anything too much. And then I would finish off with my mascara and lippy, so I'm just going to and then a wee bit of mascara. Now I don't do the bottoms all the time either. I'm not going to do the bottoms today, I'm just going to have it nice and natural. I'm actually going somewhere to do, I'm going to work. Okay, then I would then finish off with my no lipstick, which is just like that. And it's almost like a little lip balm, but it's got the most gorgeous little colour. Oh, you can tell this is my daughter's favourite one. Just put a little hole in it. That's that. So then you could then finish it off with anything that you wanted to. They've also got a no, I think it's a no lip gloss, but it's their stuff, honestly check it out, I promise you it's lovely. If you're looking for something a little bit different, like especially I think this would be great for holiday makeup as well, as things like just going to work and it's a wee bit more, I mean there's a couple of things, I mean it's small and I know you think when you look at it, God that's expensive for what it is, but I've now had this for about a month and a half and I've hardly used any of it and I use it all the time. So that is it, I would just give myself a wee spray and I would be good to go. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you soon. Bye.